Hey, my name is Benedict, and welcome to Wellness Saturdays. This is clips from episode 17, where I'm talking about my 5 Wellness Ninja modules, my health coaching explained. And this is tip number 9, how to use your mindset to optimize your health and save on supplements. Not bad, huh? Check it out. Aloha. Do it is really having a clear vision and not getting caught up in, the supplement bullshit. Excuse me, guys out there making money off supplements. A lot of this can, and I'll show you later, a lot of this can be done naturally. You just got to know how to do it. And it's about activating the inner systems with the body, the inner systems within your mind, and getting really clear and focused on moving that forward. Sounds good, right? So let's get on.